Hello friends, how are you today? Welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. My name is Sabs and I love all things fashion and handbags. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you know I am so crazy about trying different kinds of handbags, and I make unboxing and first impression videos, and so I thought what better first YouTube video than an unboxing and first impressions of a handbag. If you saw the intro, you know that today I'll be doing a preliminary review of Jacquemus's Petit Bambimou, this little cutie right here. When I was considering buying this bag, I was very uncertain about what would fit into it and what people thought of the soft lambskin leather. I was unable to find any comprehensive reviews, barely any mentions of this bag on TikTok and Instagram at all. So I thought I would shed some light on it because it is a very pretty bag. Before we get into the details of this bag, please consider subscribing to my channel, like this video if you find it helpful, and leave a comment below of what you think about the Jacquemus Le Bambimou bag. Now let's get back into the product specs. The great thing about Jacquemus is that I wouldn't call it a mid-range bag, but it definitely does go on sale. And around the holiday season was when I purchased this one. It was at a really good price point, and I found the price to be quite comparable to the Coach Tabby pillow bag, I believe it's what it's called. The holiday season is over and most places are back to the regular prices on this bag, but I have found a couple of places where these bags are still on sale, so I will link those in the description box in case you're curious what price points you could find this bag. This is called Le Petit Bambimou. I know there's a larger one which is just called Bambimou. That one I didn't get to try it on in person. I ordered this online from Holt Renfrew. I was just kind of thinking that with these soft plushy bags, the bigger they get, the more casual they look. If I want to wear this to more formal events, I feel like this would be a better size, but it really depends. I told myself the only way I would keep this bag is if it fits all my essentials, because it gets really annoying when you have a tiny bag and then you have to carry your phone and some other items in your pockets. So we're going to do a test of what fits in this bag and how the shape holds up when it's stuffed. So I'm going to keep the tag on. This is the interior and it has a little slip pocket inside if you want to put cards or cash. It also has one on the back. Here are pretty much all my daily essentials. If I want to use this as a daily bag, I would preferably like to have all of these items in my purse. It would definitely be an added bonus if I could fit my phone in here. It's alright if it doesn't work because a lot of the times I carry my phone in my hand or in my pocket anyway. So here is what the interior of the bag looks like right now. Starting with the biggest items first, my key pouch, card holder, AirPods, eye drops, lip balm, lipstick, my little tripod, a mirror. I will attempt to close this right now because it feels like it's already pretty full. It looks okay. I feel like I haven't stuffed it over its limit yet. I feel like it could just be placed on top. Definitely don't think I could fit my scrunchie in there. Not bad. I'm actually quite impressed that as a mini bag it fits so many items and it doesn't feel too heavy. So as far as the things that it didn't fit, my scrunchie and my phone. Now I wanted to show you what it would look like if I wanted to fit my phone in there as well, because lengthwise it does fit. It's just that once it's in there, not a whole lot more would fit, but I will show you. At this point, I would say it's pretty much full. The sides could fit a couple more small items. I have my AirPods, a lipstick, lip balm. Maybe my eye drops would fit in too. I feel like that's pushing it, so I don't want to do that. I'm going to leave this one out. I could maybe try... I probably could stuff it further, to be honest. I don't want to damage the structure of the bag. I will be leaving everything else out and putting just the hand cream on top like this. And then you could still close it comfortably. It definitely feels a lot heavier because the phone is in there. It feels even better without the hand cream, so leaving that out would be better, but you could fit it. Obviously the top does have a tiny bit of space left, so I wouldn't say it fits 100% of your essentials if you wanted to fit your phone in there, but without the phone you could pretty much get, I don't know, I think 90% of your essentials. If you're like me and you pretty much have bare minimum daily essentials in your bag, I feel like this mini bag definitely does carry a whole lot. In terms of capacity, this Jacquemus bag is definitely way more spacious than its other counterparts like the Chiquita Moyen, which is the medium size of the line, I believe. Size-wise, it does look a lot more similar to this mini bag, but it definitely does not fit nearly as much as this one. So the Petit Bambimou, I would say, is for sure more of an everyday bag. Probably your best bet if you like carrying mini bags but still want to be able to carry your daily essentials. As you guys saw, this bag didn't quite pass my test of fitting all my essentials in, which is kind of sad for me because I don't know, I just thought it magically would fit so much more. That being said, it really depends what someone's considering using this bag for. I was hoping it would be a good everyday bag because although it is more expensive than the Coach Tabby pillow bag, when it's on sale, it's quite comparable price-wise. I took some photos of the Tabby bag in person, and I definitely do think that the small size would fit less than this bag. So if we're comparing apples to apples, I think the Jacquemus one fits a bit more, but it's still not a whole lot. I will have to seriously consider whether I will keep this bag or not, but for right now, I'm not sure. Let me know what you think. I definitely do love the off-white color. And like I said, I will be posting links to this bag because I found this bag offered in a variety of different price points for the different colors. So if you're not too picky, I bet you could find lower prices for different colors of this bag. Right off the bat, I will say the pros and cons of this bag that stick out to me. Pros is that it is very supple. I love this soft quilting design of this bag. I thought the shape is quite unique. It's a trapezoid bag. I really like that it had two straps. One strap is so that you could hold it handheld, or it could fit over your shoulder like this. It does look really cute. And then a long strap if you want to be completely hands-free and wear it crossbody. I'm a really big fan of when you can wear bags two ways. It just feels like two bags in one for some reason. Another pro that I would say is definitely worth noting, these handles are interchangeable and you could have them both on at the same time, although I don't recommend it. It looked a little awkward. As I was wearing it crossbody, this shorter handle just kept kind of awkwardly hanging and covering the niceness of the bag. It's just not the prettiest. You could easily remove the short strap from the smaller loops, and it's kind of nice that they made two loops. The bigger one presumably is for the longer strap when you want to crossbody it, and the shorter one is for the shorter strap so that they don't have to be dangling off the same loop, which could sometimes look a little bit clanky. So you could easily just take off the shorter strap, attach on the longer strap, and then wear it crossbody. Super easy. And there you have it. When it's just crossbody by itself, it looks so dainty and cute. The leather looks very high quality, feels very soft, and although people fear lambskin leather for scratching easily, I think they are more resistant than people give them credit for. I have lambskin bags. I don't shy away from them unless you're someone who's constantly around children and spiky things for some reason. I think this is fine for regular daily wear and tear. They hold up pretty okay. This one feels very luxurious. If you're someone like me and your bags aren't just an item to hold your other items, you genuinely enjoy looking at your bags and feeling the nice leather on them, I think this is for sure worth the price point. If you're looking for a more formal bag, this might not be necessarily it because the soft pillowy bags are a bit more casual in nature, but I do think at this size you could easily dress it up or down with just a nice simple outfit for night, wearing it over the shoulder like so, and then during the day wearing it crossbody so that you could be hands-free would just make it a little bit more casual. I'm still wondering if I had gotten the one that Jacquemus offers in a larger size, the Bambimou. I know for sure it'll fit a lot more in there, but it's just that it would take away from the cuteness of it. Because right now at this size, it just looks dainty enough that I think it could be dressed up, but at the larger size, it would just be a very casual everyday bag. And the price also does go up quite a bit at the larger size. So you have to weigh the pros and cons there and see what you're looking for in this bag. The cons that I would say is that when you're pulling it up like this, it does pull on the leather a little bit. So I'm not sure how over time that'll look. This part could end up looking a little bit pillowed out. I'm not sure how the magnet part would look over time. Honestly, at this point, I can't think of any cons other than the fact that I got the small size and it just doesn't fit much in it, and that's on me. It's not really anything wrong with the bag per se. It's just the nature of mini bags. In conclusion, if you want a really high quality, luxurious looking bag, I would really recommend this one. The logo is not so subtle, but it's kind of a if you know, you know bag right now because I don't really see a whole lot of people carrying this one. I had the Jacquemus Le Chiquito Moyen, which was the medium Le Chiquito bag. I have photos of it. It really is a statement bag and it made a lot of my outfits look more interesting. This isn't so much that. This is a lot more everyday user-friendly kind of because that one does have a really stiff handle which makes it really hard to open and close the bag because you have to give it room. Like if you're wearing the bag crossbody, you just open it. But the other one, the handle will kind of dig into your body. If you open it at this angle, it would just go right into you. So you have to take it off and face it the other way, away from you, and then open the bag like this, which if you're wearing it as a statement bag, lots of statement bags have impracticalities like that, but this bag doesn't have anything like that, which I must say for Jacquemus, that is a bit surprising because Jacquemus made a name for itself with those really stiff silhouettes. So this shape and texture is very new for Jacquemus, but I'm here for it. I really like it when brands experiment with new shapes and designs. As far as this bag goes, I would have with certainty said that I'm going to keep it if it had fit just a couple items more of my essentials, but it didn't. But let me know what you think of this bag and let me know if this review was helpful. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please don't hesitate to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!